Tuesday, we formally entered the Grand Canyon and prepared for a day of more frequent and longer rapids as the gorge narrowed a bit. The morning included a stop at Clear Creek, where we wedged in our boats and hiked through the stream back to a refreshing waterfall, where the cooling spray was enjoyed by both lads and dads under sunny, cloudless skies. Clear Creek also offered the chance to sit back and relax or just cool off for a few minutes in the waters of a makeshift dam. Some of us had a bit more to do than others to get back to the boats, but soon we were able to get underway and head splashing downstream again. Shortly after, we sighted the Bright Angel Suspension Bridge and had a brush with civilization as the Park Service helicopters passed by our chosen stopping point. The beach offered some much welcome shade and a hearty lunch for all before it was time to hike up and explore the bridge for a few minutes. Phantom Ranch at the top of the rim is a popular spot to hike the canyon from, and there was plenty of traffic in the area. The Bright Angel Bridge is equipped with a wooden bottom so the pack mules can cross without seeing down, and offers a great view of the river below. Once we got our young mules and key personnel situated back on the boats, it was time to head in search of more rapids to run, and with all the afternoon sunshine, no one was about to complain about getting a bit wet. Salty snacks were a key component of each day for crew and passengers alike, and gave needed strength to Mark's boat when it was time to head back into the rapids and help Amity retrieve a stray life jacket, proving that Leave No Trace has a place while traveling in the canyon as well. The splashing continued all afternoon to the delight of everyone, especially when running the Hermit Rapids. When the river slowed down, there was time for more gunplay.
Hey, bighorn sheep over there. That's awesome. Big guy, too. Go the guides. More!
Our campsite for the night was at mile 108 amidst the black schist rocks, and in heat like this, believe me, schist happens. For those keeping score, barbecued chicken was the featured entree of the evening as we enjoyed our meal with the heat of the rocks on our backs and settled in for another night under the stars with the peaceful sound of the Colorado River rushing past in our ears as we went to sleep.